In today's video, we're going to talk about the 8 important reasons why you should start increasing more sauerkraut in your diet. Sauerkraut is a type of cabbage that has been fermented. Fermentation is the process of preserving food by using bacteria or yeast to reduce its acidity. This method was discovered in China more than 2,000 years ago. The scientific name for sauerkraut is sour cabbage, and it's a great source of vitamins and nutrients. Sauerkraut is a traditional fermented dish from China, Germany, and Korea. It can be made from cabbage, carrot, cucumber, radish, or turnip as the main ingredient. The fermentation process sauerkraut undergoes helps it to keep for a long period of time without refrigeration. Number 1. It will provide some of the anti-nutrients. Sauerkraut is a great source of many nutrients including fiber, vitamin C, and B vitamins. These nutrients not only support optimal health but can help reduce your risk for chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that improve your health. They help you digest food, which improves the absorption of vitamins and minerals found in foods. Number 2. Improves your digestion. Your gut contains over 100 trillion microorganisms, known as gut flora, which is more than 10 times the total number of cells in your body. Sauerkraut contains probiotics, which provide a healthy balance of bacteria that help the body fight off toxins and harmful disease-causing bacteria. Probiotics can reduce or prevent diarrhea caused by antibiotics. Number 3. Boosts immune system. Sauerkraut is very high in immune-boosting probiotics and nutrients. The bacteria that populate your gut can affect your immune system. Probiotics found in sauerkraut may help you increase the good bacteria in your gut, which helps keep your gut lining healthy. It is also important to maintain a healthy gut flora because it prevents the growth of harmful bacteria and may even boost the production of natural antibodies. Number 4. Beneficial for losing weight. Sauerkraut can significantly help you lose weight. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, participants who ate sauerkraut daily lost about 5 pounds more than those who consumed white bread over the course of 2 months. It has a low calorie, high fiber, and high probiotic content, which may help prevent weight gain and promote the loss of unwanted body fat. Number 5. Reduces stress and improves brain health. What you eat can affect your mood and brain function. Researchers have found that the bacteria in your gut have the ability to send messages to your brain to function properly. Sauerkraut promotes healthy intestinal flora and helps increase the absorption of mood-regulating minerals from your diet. This effect helps reduce stress and maintain brain health. Number 6. Helps reduce the risk of cancer. Sauerkraut contains antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds that help reduce the risk of certain cancers. 2 recent studies suggest that cabbage and sauerkraut juice may help reduce the risk of cancer by reducing the growth of cancer-associated genes. Sauerkraut contains beneficial plant compounds called indolus, which have been shown to stop the growth of cancer cells in lab experiments. Number 7. Maintains good heart health. Sauerkraut can give a healthy heart. Sauerkraut contains a good amount of fiber and probiotics, both of which may help reduce cholesterol levels. Sauerkraut contains probiotic strains, fiber, and vitamin K2. The probiotics in sauerkraut may contribute to the lowering of cholesterol levels, slight improvements in blood pressure, and a lower risk of heart disease. Number 8. Contributes to stronger bones. Sauerkraut contains vitamin K2, which helps to build strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin K2 activates 2 proteins known as osteocalcin and matrix glyprotein. These proteins bind to calcium, which makes up most of the bone. The binding of these proteins to calcium allows for strong bones that are resistant to breakage from everyday use. Now that you know why sauerkraut is so great, I hope you'll consider adding it to your diet. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications.